Hello everyone, this is the review of the GK61 mechanical keyboard by HK Gaming. Now this one specifically is the white version with the Gateron blue switches, and I chose the blue switches because I love them. They're just amazing. They have a great clickiness along with a great feel. All switches do, so yeah. I love just to give up straightforward opinion. So in my opinion, this is the best budget keyboard in my opinion for your price, which I paid, which was $80 Canadian off of Amazon. So yeah, it's just a great keyboard, great feel, great sound, works great. RGB you can customize, everything works. So yeah, but overall I'm just gonna go through a base review. Not really an unboxing, but yeah. This will be just to tell you the parts and what comes with it and the sound test. I will do a typing test and a gaming test next week because I'm getting my Alienware computer and I want to really test it on that to also show you guys what games I'm playing and the test and everything along with the sound. So really so yeah, if you want to see that, please subscribe, and if you guys subscribe, please like this video. It really helps me out a lot. I really appreciate it. So yeah, and if you subscribe, there'll be lots of more content like this, where I will also be doing a mouse review on the Cooler Master M711, I believe, double M711, yeah. So yeah, I'll be doing one on that, and I will also be doing it on the Alienware 27-inch 240Hz monitor. Yeah, so I'll be doing with all these reviews in the future, and yeah, please subscribe and like this video. Comment if you have any questions. I basically know the basics of computers and tech and all this stuff, so please don't heavily criticize me if I get anything wrong. Just let me know in the comments, but please don't heavily criticize me. But yeah, this is basically the keyboard. So first things first, the box, it isn't really anything unusual. It's just the basic upfront. When you open it, you get the keyboard. Then underneath it, you'll get your coil, your keycap removers, and the manual. So I'll just put that away for now. Then here, we have the coil, silver coil. It's not bad. It's pretty lengthy, so you can really connect it to your PC or your monitor, my bad. When you play, sometimes if you have a larger desk, it may not reach far enough, but overall for most people, yeah, it works pretty well. Then we have the keycap removers. There's two of them, which I am assuming that the black one, the plastic one, is used for the base normal square keycaps, and the silver one is used for grabbing the larger keycaps. Unless they're all the same size and length, I'm not sure. But yeah, that's just my thoughts, I believe. Oh, my bad, sorry about that. But yeah, that's basically my thoughts. And then here we have the manual. Now this is just the manual if you want to enable Bluetooth, and the function keys to access everything. And there's Chinese for one side, and there is English on one side. I believe this may be, yeah. So yeah, that is it. So Chinese, yep, I believe it's Chinese. Yes, it is, and English. So here, I'll just point this here. You guys can pause if you guys would like to see. Open this. So yeah, that's it. Now we go into the keyboard. Now this is great keyboard. I've had it for like the past 30 minutes, literally, and it's just really great. I typed it like twice, and I still want to just type all day. I feel like I could type all day with this. I love 60% keyboards. This is my third 60% keyboard, I believe. It's really nice. All my 60% keyboards have been blue switches, rather one Cherry MX and then Gateron, and this one also Gateron, blue switches. So yeah, it's just great. I love it. So yeah, So I'll start with the keyboard test, guys, or I'll show you the actual keyboard. So it is quite heavy, I have to say. You have your, I believe, laser edge. There's RGB lighting, which I will show you in the future video where I do the typing and gaming test. So please subscribe to see more content like this. But yeah, there's rubber feet on the bottom for it not to move, and then there's its brand, which I turn 1 second. Oh. And then there's its brand logo along with the serial number, and yeah, made in China. So yeah, the rubber feet is actually surprisingly not bad. It doesn't really move at all. Like, I'm not pushing down or anything. It doesn't. It's a bit hard to move. It does move a little bit, but not really at all. So yeah, but now let's get into the test. First of all, there is no adjustable part, but it is slanted up, so that's kind of a disadvantage, but still works really well. If you're playing video games, haven't tried it yet, but in the future video, you'll see. So yeah, here is the typing test. So yeah, that's basically the typing test. Actually, here, I'll do kind of slow, medium, then fast. So I'm not the fastest typer. I just started trying to type kind of normally or properly, as they say, a few weeks ago. So I'm kind of iffy like that, because before I used to have my hands like WASD all the time. I just used to kind of control like 2/3 of the keyboard with my right hand, and then it wasn't really the greatest. It's a bit hard to type in some places, so I'm trying to get used to typing with all my fingers on the home row and then the thumbs on the space bar. So yeah. But yeah, this is the review of the GK61 in white with the blue Gateron switches by HK Gaming. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to see more future content like this, or the gaming and typing test coming this week. So yeah, please subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy this keyboard. And honestly, this is going to be my new keyboard. I was thinking of just having this as a typing keyboard, but I might use this for gaming and everything else as my main keyboard. So yeah, if you guys want to see me using this or reviewing more in the future, please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much.